Hello folks, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on a Honda CBR or for any other sports bike for that matter. Stick around if you're interested. Okay, here are all the tools you're gonna need. Something to strap the fuel tank back, 12mm socket, 8mm socket, these two are for the fuel tank, large Phillips head screwdriver and a smaller Phillips head screwdriver. Let's go to the bike and get started. What we need to do now is get the fuel tank out of the way so we can get to the airbox. There's two 8mm bolts in the front and two 12mm bolts in the back. These all need to come out. As I've said earlier, you'll find a similar setup for pretty much every sports biker out there. Got the bolts out. And gently lift this up. There's a hose here. All right. Okay, so make sure I'm not pulling on any of the fuel hoses. Now if you notice, this bike has an intake air temperature sensor which we need to disconnect because we need to take the air filter cover off like that, and we need to make sure we plug that back once we are done. It's really easy to change the air filter. All you need to do is just lift the tank, unscrew 10 screws, pop off the cover, swap out your air filter, put it all back together, and happy days. Ta-da! And that's your air filter. As you can see, my one is a K&N, so I'm not going to change this actually, but I needed to take it out to give it a good wash and oil it up. But I thought I'd just share it with you guys. If any one of you wants to change the filter, this is how you do it. Well, what can I say? That's probably one of the easiest DIYs you can do on your motorcycle. As you've seen, I've got a K&N filter fitted on my bike, which can be reused. You just need to wash it and lubricate it with the specific oil, and it's good to go. If you maintain it properly, it will literally last you forever. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I have a video on how to clean and lubricate your K&N air filter. If you're interested, you can check it out here. I do hope you found that useful, folks, and if you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, that would help a lot. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.